It is Tuesday morning and I am out actually running some errands this morning. And Tuesdays are actually a very special day for a legion of One Brand's followers. And I'm gonna go see what it's all about. This brand is an unbelievable marketing juggernaut, and I'm surprised more people aren't talking about them. So today on the Loyalty Loop, we're gonna dive into this One Brand's amazing marketing strategy that centers around one person and their amazing ability to connect with consumers. Today, I'm going to break down the 4 reasons I think this brand does everything right. And I think there are 4 things any CEO can embrace when it comes to marketing. And I'll be honest, this is a story that's been percolating in me for 2 years. About 2 years ago, a friend of mine named Richard started sending me videos and data and articles and just trying to convince me to switch from one brand to this brand. And it took me a long time. It took me about a year before I was convinced that I should switch. All right, we are here and I'm very excited. Hey man, how are you? I know what day it is.
Oh yeah, you're trying to get
T-Mobile Tuesday.
Alright, give me a second, I'll grab it up.
Oh, awesome man, thank you.
No, I just
Thanks,
the
man.
redeem code, I just have to look at it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Yeah, no problem. Let me grab it. All right, so I came to a local shopping center just down the street from my house, and this phone gave me access to these glasses. I can't, it's too loud here. We're gonna go home and I'm gonna tell you all about the most innovative brand in the world today. I got my glasses on my glasses. How about that? Boom. How's that look? This is not about the glasses at all. Now, I think there are maybe 3 or 4 reasons that T-Mobile is one of the most marketing forward brands in the world. And reason number 1 is John Legere, John Legere, John Legere. John is the CEO of T-Mobile, and he does an amazing job of connecting with his customers. And John Legere doesn't do things the way any other mobile carrier does them. And as CEO, he exemplifies what it takes to build a relationship with an audience. John Legere, I already covered that. Number 2 is T-Mobile Tuesdays. T-Mobile Tuesdays isn't just about the glasses. It isn't just about the giveaways. They have an app just for T-Mobile Tuesdays, and it alerts you every Tuesday to a series of partnerships and deals that T-Mobile customers can have access to. You can go to Baskin Robbins and get $2 off. You can get some savings at Shell, $2 off a movie rental on Vudu. There's a lot of stuff on this every single Tuesday, and people have made an appointment with T-Mobile every single Tuesday. That club re-inspires them to talk about and think about and share their love of the brand every single week. Number 2, or number 3, I guess at this point, is Slow Cooker Sundays.
No, it's Slow Cooker Sunday!
Yeah, Slow Cooker Sundays.
Happy Slow Cooker Sunday!
Now, if you're in marketing and you've never seen Slow Cooker Sundays, you are missing out.
It's my favorite day of the week because it's Sunday and I bring you into my home to cook for you. Today we're gonna make this, show 'em, Lizzie, slow cooker Mediterranean chicken. Okay?
2 years ago, he decided to actually do a recipe live on Facebook every single Sunday.
Pam goes in here. Pam goes in the recipe in the bowl. All across everything on the chicken. And of course, it goes on the floor. I have my sneakers on because I'm going running after. And then John Travolta shuffle. Yes. And now the spin shuffle. Whoa. And now for a special canoe rowing shuffle. And then the moonwalk shuffle. And then the casual shuffle.
He averages 2.3 million viewers for the Slow Cooker Sunday meals. It's got a recipe. There's usually some promotions, some shout outs to his unstoppable employees. It's hard to explain without seeing it. So check out this Sunday's Slow Cooker Sunday, and you'll see what I mean about being able to communicate and connect on a very human level.
But next Sunday, I'm going to be back here for Slow Cooker Sunday after I march in the Pride Parade, New York. Okay, Lizzie?
And the last thing that I want to talk about before I talk about the results, which any good marketer has to talk about, is that the idea of being the uncarrier isn't just a ploy. John Legere is the un-CEO. He embraces everything about asking the simple question of being the opposite of every other carrier. And in your industry, instead of following the leader and trying to do what everybody else is doing or trying to be just like the competition, what would happen if you just flipped the table on its head and said, we're going to do the complete opposite? I think you'll find it very refreshing, as I do. And let's talk about the results for a second. Jean Legere has delivered financial results over and over. This quarter alone, they had signed up 1.4 million new customers to T-Mobile. Everybody's leaving other carriers to come to T-Mobile. It's the 20th consecutive quarter with 1 million new customer additions, and they have record low churn, especially for the industry. And it's all because of the CEO and the personal relationship he's been able to build with millions and millions of fans, followers, friends, prospects, leads, customers, and converts around the world. So, John, you are unstoppable, and T-Mobile is an amazing brand. From the marketing perspective, I'm surprised more aren't talking about it, and there's a lot we can learn from watching what you do as successful. It is Tuesday. You're going to get this on Friday, so you've got a few days to head on over to T-Mobile and check out what T-Mobile Tuesday is all about. In the meantime, I'll see you in my loyalty loop. There are new episodes every week, and have a great weekend. All right. I think that's it.